trading a stick. Well, not trading, but stick to a golden revolver until my VR dies. So my VR is at 24. So, yeah, we'll see. So, we'll grab a stick. Alright, I'm going to go on a code giveaway. And then we'll see what we can, like, grab. If it's not full, it's full, okay. Money talks. Okay, code money is full. Alright, we'll join the public. And then we'll grab any items from there.
Pug, do you want to go mimic hunting?
There's like 7 people in here.
I don't know. No.
Does anybody got a fan?
Alright. No one here, guys. Oh. Oh, okay, plunger. That's good.
And I without a grapple? Just kidding.
Does anyone want to trade for a plunger? Okay, yeah, no one's trading. Okay, we got this. Giveaway. Oh, crap. What if I go on a code Toasty? Toasty. Because it might be stuff there, because Just Toasty is a good YouTuber. 9 people, nice. A shotgun.
Hey guys, look. Back to me. Who wants this golden gun? I'm just joking. No golden gun. Back to me.
Yo, bro, I was over here. Yo, can me and you join the code, please?
I'm doing a giveaway.
Please.
Here. I'm doing a giveaway.
Oh my god!
Okay, this is good.
What the?
Can I get that? I never seen
Yo,
it
can we
before.
join the code, please? Can
Really
we?
signal.
Please! I need help.
Alright, so far, we've got a RPG, a revolver, and a keycard. Oh, our keycard's dead. Okay. Does anyone want to trade for a RPG and a revolver?
Like my pew-pews. My pew-pews are so cool.
What do you want to trade for it?
What is that?
What do you want to trade for this? Loaded.
I'm new, so
I did you.
Anything?
I have a backpack.
Does anyone want to trade for an egg?
Oh,
Yeah.
Yes.
Me, bro, that's
Yes.
not enough.
I got it. Do you want a small?
Oh, damn it. I could have got like a small thing. Alright. Not going good, guys. Maybe I can.
Hey, let's stop. He's gonna do that. I wanna do it.
I don't want It's funny.
Bro said, I don't want corn. I don't want corn. Oh.
Yo, hey, can I trade for that pickaxe? Can I trade for that pickaxe?
Yeah.
We have no money.
I'm the biggest back. I'm Red Bull.
2 points.
Oh, this time for you, guys. This time for you.
Code giveaway. Don't be fooled. Okay. Our only bet is code giveaway or money.
Did anybody see the pub?
I'm ready for my round.
Guys, how do you buy stuff?
Yes, thank you.
Red watch.
I got the best impression. So I got the prize.
He's red watch.
Conquest Got Talent.
Hey you! Black! Green! Green!
Hurry,
I'm heading, guys!
Okay, man, I can hear you.
Like, I'm looking for the most China-looking dude ever to explode him.
arrival.
Green! Guys, look! Green! Green!
Oh my fucking god, please give me one.
Green! Green!
Okay. I'm gonna put this RPG away because it is annoying. Headset battery is low. Anyone want to trade for a loaded? Anyone want to trade for a loaded shotgun? Yo, I just saw. No, is this? Okay, this is full. Nice, we're getting there.
Bodies now in.
Saw something here. Okay, how are we gonna get this?
The chest now eliminated. Get worse now.
Oh, okay.
Start selling.
Red light.
Yes. Okay.
Blue moved.
Whoa, whoa. I'm doing a video.
No beef. I got no beef.
Oh my god.
Red light, green light.
I guess Pink had beef.
Oh, yeah. What the fuck?
Nah, guys.
Oh, crap, my beer's still on, holy crap!
I'm at
What up, did anyone hear that? Yeah, I heard it, bro. Well, no I did. Cat, I'm gonna jump my friend. Eliminated.
Yes. Does anyone want to trade for a blue suitcase? I'm looking for a golden revolver.
Yes. Green light.
Alright, we just found a suitcase right there, so I think we can trade something for it.
Oh, sorry. Why can't I see the money going to these?
Can someone trade a golden revolver for my cyan suitcase?
I can't do that, but no, look how many there are. Whoa. Spider.
Bro.
Yo, can I trade this for that?
Yeah, sure.
For
As
real?
long as you want to gun. Yes? Wait,
Yo, thank you so much. You're a legend.
Can you please buy me an X-ray gun? Can you please buy me an X-ray gun? I need an X-ray gun.
Alright, guys, we just got I think it's a Galaxy gun. Let's go.
Can I please have that big
Guys, I think I have two mystery boxes.
Oh,
Yes,
no.
yes.
I was just doing a video. So we got this, so that video ended.